Hi guys, my name is Reuel Rivera and I'm a Recording Connection graduate here to do a review of the Recording Connection. So I took part in the hip hop beatmaking course, and even though it was a lot for me to take in, I still got out of it a lot of the basics that I needed to know to become the beatmaker I am now. Even though the school had its hangups like postponed studio time for when I was taking the online courses, I still got all the help I expected, like my online mentor, Matthew Green, who carefully and thoughtfully guided me within the software Logic Pro X, which I did not know at all at the time, prior to when I was assigned into the studio I was suggested to learn from. Upon receiving my hip hop and beatmaking certificate from the Recording Connection, one of their career advisors, with no hesitation, progressively encouraged me to start my own resume, and soon after lined up my first job opportunity to sell one of my very own beats. Shout out to Gervais Millard, my own personal career advisor, who is still doing his best to open up even more opportunities for myself. Overall, the pros of this school outweighed the cons, which made a memorable experience with the Recording Connection. Thank you guys.